Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add a YouTube video to PowerPoint presentation. So in order to do this, let us first open a PowerPoint presentation. So I will click here and click on this PowerPoint. So as all of you can see, there is a black presentation template. I will click on this link and I will insert a blank slide by clicking on this new slide. So as all of you can see, a blank slide is inserted. Now I have to insert a YouTube video in my PowerPoint presentation. So for that, I will go to YouTube and all of you can see I have already opened a YouTube video Python tutorials append element at the end of Python list. So I will click here and all of you can see this is the address bar and I will copy this address of the YouTube video, or we can say this is the URL of the YouTube video. Now I will again go back to my PowerPoint presentation and I will click here insert, then I will click at the arrow. Okay, so as soon as I click on this arrow, I will get here this device and online videos. So since I am inserting a YouTube video, so I will click on this online videos. So all of you can see here the message is enter the address for the online video. So since all of you know that I have already copied the uh, address of the YouTube video, so I will paste that address here. So I have pasted that address and we can see that the preview of the YouTube video is here and now I can click on this insert button to insert this YouTube video in my PowerPoint presentation. So let us click on this. So all of you can see the video is inserted, but the size of this video is very small. So what I will do is I will drag this so that I can increase the size of the video screen. And now again I will further increase the size of this video screen. And now in order to play this, I will click on this arrow button. In this video, I am going to show how to add an element at the end of the list using the append command. So all of you can see the video is playing in the PowerPoint presentation and is success and therefore it is successfully inserted in the PowerPoint presentation. So one must note that in order to play the video inserted in the PowerPoint presentation, one must have a internet connection. Okay, without internet connection, one cannot able to play the video inserted in the PowerPoint presentation. So if anyone has any doubt regarding PowerPoint presentation or any other coding hacks, kindly comment in the box. Thank you.